Hello, my name is Jumana Shaheen, ID 215-21809. I study information technology at the Faculty of Computer Studies. This is my CAS 400 training presentation. I did my training at Retail Tech, a technology company in Jeddah. My project was to connect an AI assistant to the company's Oracle database. I would talk about company, my work, what I learned, and my conclusion. My presentation has four parts. First, an introduction about me and the company. Second, the work I did and my role in it. Third, the benefits and what I learned. And fourth, my conclusion and my recommendation. I am a student in information technology track. I did my training at Retail Tech in Jeddah. It is an official partner of Retail Pro, a big system used by shops. My training area was software development. I worked with database, backend, code, and AI. So I learned three areas in one project. Now, about the company. Retail Tech started in 2008. Its office in Jeddah. It's an official partner of Retail Pro. It builds cashier system, e-invoking, restaurant system, and the new AI feature. Its clients are shops and restaurants in Saudi Arabia. It is about 25 staff. I work in the software development team, which has about 8 developers. This slide shows the project. The goal was to let an AI assistant read to the company Oracle database. Then it can answer questions about product and help customers. My supervisors split the work into five stages: set up the tools, connect to the database, build the AI layers, add a WhatsApp chat, and keep the data safe. We use Node.js, Oracle, MCP, the Cloud API, and WhatsApp. Okay. My first task were the tools and the database. I installed Visual Studio Code, Node.js, and Oracle SQL developers. Then I write the code you see on the right. It opens a pool of connection so the app can use them again and again. I keep the password in separate file, not inside the code. This is the safe way. After that, I ran simple query to explore the data. The, the next part was the main task, the AI layer. I helped build a small server that gives the AI a few safe tools. With these tools, it can run a query, list the tables, or show the columns. The passwords stay on the server. The AI never sees them. I test the tools with sample data. I also fix two errors that stop the server from starting. The third part was a WhatsApp chat. We built a small app so customers can talk to the assistant on WhatsApp. It sends the message to the AI, then sends the answer back. It also saves a short history for each customer, so a customer can ask about price or make a simple order in normal words. This picture shows the full system. On the left is the customer on WhatsApp. The message go to our app, then to the AI. The AI use the save tools to read the Oracle database. Then the answer goes back to the customer. This is the full path from the customer to the database and back. Now, the benefits. On the left are my new skills: working with Oracle, writing back-end code with Node.js and SQL, connecting an AI to real data, and fixing error. On the right, I linked them to my course, the database and SQL course. Helped me the most: web programming, software engineering, and object oriented programming. Show me how to write clean code, operating system, and programming basics. Help me with the tools. I faced three problems. First, the database would not connect. I fixed the settings and read the guide. Second, the AI server would not start. I fixed the code and added a missing setting. Third, the chat mixed the message of different customers, so I saved a history for each customer and tested. These problems taught me to read the errors slowly and stay calm. So here the conclusion. For my conclusion, the workplace was very good, friendly staff, real project, and modern tools. My team helped me and gave me real work. My recommendation: the company can give new trainee a short training on the tools. The university can keep working with the companies like this, and students should pick a company with modern tools and ask many a question. I start as a beginner and now I can work on a real project. Thank you for watching. I'm happy to answer your question.